Hi, in this video I will show you how to create shortcuts on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking for shortcuts to send streaks on the Snapchat, then follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you will see your camera is here. Simply you have to click any picture and now you have to click on the send to on the right bottom. Once you will do it, you will see screen like this. Now you will see a shortcut button here. Simply you have to tap on it and you will see a new shortcut option is appear here. Click on it. Now you have to select the friends which you want to be in your shortcut. Like I select 2-3 friend, and on the top you have to enter your emoji, and once you will do it, now click on the create shortcut. So your shortcut is created now. So this is the procedure to create your shortcut on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.